Hey, good morning, Portia. Chris Grimsley with Tameron Honda. I'm going to be your Perks at Work specialist here at the dealership. Thank you so much for your online inquiry. I just received that on the 2019 Honda Civic EXL in that platinum white pearl. I've got one right here behind me, as you can see. Refreshed this year for 2019. Different trims on the back of these here, a little extra chrome. Also, they upgraded the wheels to that nicer grayed out alloy wheel there. Also, you're going to pick up your moonroof standard inside of the vehicle. Also, you're going to get leather, heated seats, power seats. Also, your Honda Sensing package, which gives you all your automatic braking, driver assistance, XM satellite radio. The vehicle gets up to 40 miles per gallon, so it's going to be phenomenal gas mileage. I'd love to invite you to come by the dealership today. We've got special pricing on TrueCar. Definitely need to be here to find out about that. Give me a call. Let's set up that VIP appointment at 205-826-4915. We're open till 7 p.m. today. Let me know what time you'll be here. I'll have the vehicle gassed up, ready to go for you on the test drive. Again, we're Chris Grimsley with Tameron Honda, 205-826-4915. When you come to Tameron, you'll love the way you're treated.